y'all, it's Kasia, and I'm going to be installing this wig from Wiggins. Of course, y'all know they sent me some goodies. This curl pattern, beautiful. It is a HD lace 5x5, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pretty much ready to put on. It came with 3 clips and an elastic band and an adjustable elastic band. Of course, we're starting off with this silky hair, but I'm putting a wig on top of it because it's too hot outside. And yeah, so let's get it. I'm just brushing my hair back since it's wheat thin and it's silk press. It's a boneless silk press. I'm just going to be slicking it back and putting my cap on. And I'm going to be sticking my cap down with some Eben spray. I heard we canceling Eben. I don't know what happened, but I am going to finish using the bottle that I do have. Sorry, I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah, so I'm using some makeup to blend that in with my skin, and then I'm going to start the process of putting the wig on. I am going to be doing a little bit of adjustment to the wig because although it was pre-plucked, I do like my part plucked and the part was not plucked. So I am going to go ahead and do that.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm old school. I like to use the Murray's in the little can. A lot of people use the wax sticks. It's the same thing. I just use this, but it's pretty much the same thing. The wig already looked good, but I like it to be extra flat. And when you use the wax stick or the Murray's and you hot comb it and you go part by part on each side of that part, yeah, you're gonna have a real flat wig and it's gonna look real natural. So I'm just gonna do that all the way through, and then y'all will see what I mean in just a sec.
What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time.
So now it's time to actually install the wig. Now, I could have done it glueless, but I wanted to wear it for a while, so I decided to glue mine down. I am using some skin protectant. That's what the first layer was, the clear. And then this is my glue. I am using Bow Hold Active from the hair diagram.
You say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your
me, you know I love baby hair, but everybody don't like baby hair. So I wanted to give an option of wearing baby hair and not wearing baby hair so that you guys will know what it looks like either way. So you do not have to wear baby hair. This is what it would look like if you decided not to. It's still really natural. But me, I'm a baby hair girl. So of course, after I showed y'all, I went ahead and did me some baby hair. I'm sorry. Don't shoot me. But you can always do whatever it is that you like and you prefer.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know ain't pro.
Okay, y'all, so for my baby hair, I like to curl my edges under. Some people curl them back. I like to curl my under. I have curled them back. I really prefer curling them under though. You just cut them, and then mousse is just so much better than anything else. Like, I've used gel, and I will use gel still if I'm looking for that stuck look. But if I want my edges to be just a little bit fluffy, you have to go with the mousse, because you're not going to get that fluffy look with gel.
And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flat.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final results. It came out very much melted. Okay, period. It looks so good. I'm just gonna fluff my baby hair out by combing them out, and that's pretty much it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in